Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gio here, and welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. And this video I'm going to be telling you guys some life-changing keyboard shortcuts that I personally use in Adobe Photoshop that will increase your workflow and make you more efficient. So let's get right into it. So the first one on the list is Control Z. Now Control Z basically just undoes your previous thing that you just did. So every time you press Control Z, it'll just keep going one thing back. So if you, let's say you move it a little bit move a design to the right, then you Control Z, then it'll go back to where it was. Perfect example. Yeah, really useful, saves you tons of time, especially if you made a mistake. You just, hit them with the quick and easy Control Z instead of going to edit and then undo every single time. Just press Control Z and you'll go right back to where you were. Number 2 on the list is the little squiggly brackets. I don't really know what they're called. The left one decreases brush size, so you could tap it and it'll do it lightly, or you could just hold it and it'll go all the way down. Same thing for the increased brush size, it just gets bigger instead of smaller. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Pretty simple, saves time, especially if you're doing some light shadowing, some regular lighting, or you're just doing some photo edits. So really useful. The third one on the list, not many people use, but I personally use a ton, is Shift Control A, which opens up Camera Raw filter and helps me speed up the process for most of my designs, my graphics, etc. Really speeds everything up, and it's nice and easy to use because Shift and Control right next to each other, and A, so that you literally just can just click them all at once. You don't have to spread your hands around. You could literally use one hand and just put 3 fingers if you have the keyboard for it. But yeah, really useful. Helps speed up all my graphics and stuff. Can't say much else about it. I mean, really saves you from opening up an extra menu or two. So yeah. Next one is Control J, which duplicates your layer. You're gonna have to be highlighted on whatever you want to duplicate. So in the layer panel, you just want to be selected on whatever you're duplicating. So let's say you're selected on text. Be sure you're it's highlighted blue, and just click Control J, and it should duplicate it. Pretty simple and straightforward from there. Really useful. Saves a lot of time. Now the last one is definitely the best keyboard shortcut out of all the keyboard shortcuts, and that one for sure is Control S, and it helps you save your project basically. Photoshop used to have a huge tendency of crashing. It still kind of does for some people. It might be graphics related or CPU related. I just spam Control S after every little thing I do in my project just so I don't lose progress. So I'm just trying to avoid the worst, I'm not trying to lose an entire project to spend 2-3 hours on. So gotta keep pressing Control S, make sure you're saving, and if you're not saving, then you're doing something wrong because you're wasting time if it crashes. And you don't want to be that guy sitting in his room listening to Marvin's Room right after his Photoshop crashed. So if you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you out a ton, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I might make another one of these videos in the future, just with obviously different keyboard shortcuts, but I'm not 100% sure yet. So we got this out, help a few of you guys out. I know I had a previous best fonts video a while back, and I had the website video. Might make more of those in the future. I do have a lot of stuff saved up, just haven't had enough time to record them. So here you go. But yeah, like I said, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.